sound broken. Let me help you out, take that style out commission. I used to slaughter foes, now I beat them to submission. I'm vice gripping, so nothing slipping. I kept my competitive edge exclusively for mic gripping. Yo, danger, false prophet, you're in the Ranger. The wrath of a man who got the 12 gauge for anchor. Laugh cause I blast bulletproof truth. Ashton take two and pass and let these lyrics get loose. No obstacles is blocking my path. Possible, you're talking jazz, unstoppable. I sift through grass, roots of my operation. In 10 boots, I stalk through this hip-hop nation. Brother, I stand firm, no concern. Mics I burn, style's been blessed, so now it's my turn. Interruption, you felt the introduction. Abrupt ill conduct, my forceful sword rushing. Nothing nice, if polite I was bugging. I put your body on ice, I leave it wounded, cousin. I shoot the gift like an arsonist. Pierce my body tissue, then scratch you off my list. I'm on a mission, I got jewels, but I let my rhymes glisten. In my division, too many MCs playing out position. Misty minds, yo, my smoke blows clear. Sinister lines, and through the flesh these tear. Mike's the ball, chords the chain. Addicted like cocaine, cuffed to the ground, I maintain this real live image. You stuck in a scrimmage, I'm all out the lane, creating sounds that's vintage, authentic, overshadowing. I'm ecliptic, directed, strong on powering. Use on some bitch shit. Rushing through, dark angel flu. Safe in the night, instilling fear in your crew. Posse's twitching, when I body rock you listen. Snakes is hissing, yo there's a leak in the system. I'm airtight with wisdom, on point precision. Unread encryption, detailed with description. Committed, cigar spitted, rhymes acidic. Tactics do backflips, I train, I'm my own critic. MC average, beats is savage. Roll up the cabbage, I'm ready to do my damage. Double advantage, you're serving force, I lace aces. Find a way out in tight spaces. You're nameless, you need stilts, cause I'm built like a high tower. Raw, rugged and rough, I've been sent to devour.